Welcome back. Let's continue solving the problems. Two places A and B are 80 km apart from each other on a highway. A car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If they move in the same direction, they meet each other in 8 hours. If they move in the opposite directions, they meet in 1 hour 20 minutes. Determine the speeds of the car. So there are two cars separated by a distance 80 km. Let this be A and let this be B. The distance is 80 km. Let u be the velocity of A and v be the velocity or speed of B. Okay. They are saying a car starts from A and another at B at the same time. If they move in the same direction, then they meet at 8 hours. If they are moving in the same direction, then the relative speed is u minus v. Same direction. The relative speed is u minus v. And if it is opposite direction, then the relative speed is u plus v. Okay. In both cases, the distance covered by A and B effectively is 80 kilometers. So in the first case, the speed is equal to u minus v, which is equal to distance by time. Distance is 80 kilometer. Time taken is 8 hours. So this is 8. And in the second case, the speed is u plus v and the distance covered is 80 divided by the time taken, that is 1 hour 20 minutes. So 1 hour 20 minutes can be written as 1 into 20 by 60 hour. This is equal to 1 by 3 hour, which again is 4 by 3 hour. So we can write this as 4 by 3 hour. So u minus v is equal to 10 and u plus v is equal to, this will be 20, and then if 3 goes to the numerator, it is 60. So u minus v is 10 and u plus v is 60. Adding them both, 2u is equal to 70, u is equal to 35, therefore v will be equal to 25, substituting in the first equation. So the answer should be 35 and 25a. Next question. A fast train takes 3 hours less than a slow train for a journey of 600 km. If the speed of the slow train is 10 km per hour less than that of the fast train, then find the speeds of the two trains. Let 1 and 2 represent two trains and 1 be the fast train and 2 be the slow train. Fast, slow train. Let the speed be represented by u and v for these two trains and the time taken be represented by t1, t2. This is speed, this is time. They are saying the fast train takes 3 hours less than the slow train. It means the slow train will take more time. Therefore, t2 minus t1 is equal to 3 hours. Okay. Now let us substitute the values. Time is equal to distance by speed. That will be u or v. So for t2, the distance is 600 km. Divided by the speed is, for t2 it is v. Similarly, for t1 it is 600 by u, which is equal to 3. We can take 600 outside and this will be 1 by v minus 1 by u. This is equal to 3. So we can rewrite this as u minus v divided by uv is equal to 3. We can cancel this, 200. So 200 into u minus v divided by uv is equal to 1. This is the first equation. In the second equation, they are saying if the speed of the slow train is 10 km per hour less than that of the fast train, that is u minus v is equal to 10 km per hour. Therefore, we can substitute this value here. So, which becomes 200 into 10 divided by uv is equal to 1. 2000 is equal to uv. We shall substitute v is equal to u minus 10 from this equation. This is equal to u into u minus 10. This is nothing but u square minus 10u, and the left hand side is 2000. We can rearrange this. U square minus 10u is minus 2000 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. 2000 can be written as 50 into 40. Since it is minus, one value should be minus and it will come to the minus 50. So u square minus 50 plus 40 u. minus 2000 is equal to 0. We shall rearrange this. U into u minus 50 plus 40 into u minus 50 is equal to 0. Therefore, u minus 50 into u plus 40 is equal to 0. U cannot be negative value. Therefore, u is equal to 50 km per hour. They are asking find the speeds of the two trains. U is equal to 50 km per hour. Therefore, V will be equal to 40 km per hour. So the answer should be D. Actually, they are asking the speeds of two trains, but here the option is given only for the second train. So let us choose D. Okay. Next question. A person reaches his destination 40 minutes late if his speed is 3 km per hour and reaches 30 minutes before time if his speed is 4 km per hour. Find the distance of his destination from his starting point. Okay. We know that distance by speed is equal to time taken. So in this case, the distance is same, and they are saying that if he walks at a speed of 3 km per hour, he reaches 40 minutes late, and if he walks at speed of 4 km per hour, he reaches 30 minutes early. So by using this, they are asking to find the distance. So let D be the distance, which is the unknown, which we have to find out. Okay. So the distance covered by speed, that is 3 km per hour, is equal to time taken plus 40 minutes, because he is 40 minutes late. It means he is taking extra 40 minutes time. So we have to mention T plus 40. Please note that we are specifying all the values in kilometer per hour. So we shall change this also to hour units. So this will be hour. This is equal to T plus 4 by 6. The next one, he reaches 30 minutes before time if his speed is 4 km per hour. D by 4 is equal to time taken minus 30 minutes by 60. This will be equal to T minus 3 by 6. So we have got two equations. We shall subtract one from the other so that we can remove this variable T and we can keep only D. So D into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 6 minus plus 3 by 6, because we are subtracting. So this will be plus 3 by 6. This is equal to 7 by 6. We can rearrange this. This will be 4 minus 3 divided by 12 is equal to 7 by 6. So this will be going 2 times. So D is equal to 7 into 2, 14 km. The answer is A. I hope you have got this. When such kind of problems are given, they are specifying two conditions and they are asking to find one variable. So here the distance is the variable which you have to find out. Okay. Next question. By walking at 3/4 of his usual speed, a man reaches his office 20 minutes later than his usual time. Find the usual time taken by him to reach the office. So let the distance be D and the speed be U and the time taken be T. Okay. If he is walking at 3/4 of his usual speed, then this will be 3/4 of the usual speed, and he reaches the office 20 minutes later. It means the time taken is more. Here they have given the answers in hour. So we shall divide this by 60 to convert everything into hour. Now in place of D by U, you can substitute T here. So this 4 will go to the numerator. 4 by 3 into D by U, that is T is equal to T plus 1 by 3. So 4 by 3T minus T will be equal to 1 by 3T, which is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore T is equal to 1. So the time taken is 1 hour. Answer is C. If we clearly write the equations in terms of distance, speed and time, we can easily solve the problem. Next question. A dog takes 4 leaps for every 5 leaps of a hare, but 3 leaps of a dog are equal to 4 leaps of the hare. Compare their speeds. There is a dog and there is a hare. 3 leaps of a dog are equal to 4 leaps of the hare. So first leap, second leap, third leap. So 3 leaps of a dog is equal to 4 leaps of the hare. Okay. Okay. This is one leap, this is second leap, and this is third leap. Like that, 4 leaps for a hare. Both distances are same. That's what they are saying. 3 leaps of a dog are equal to 4 leaps of the hare. Let the distance of one leap of a dog is X and distance of one leap of the hare be Y. and the speed of the dog be u and the speed of the hare be v. They are saying 3 leaps of dog, that is 3x is equal to 4 leap of the hare, 4y. Next they are saying a dog takes 4 leaps for every 5 leaps of hare. It means the time taken for the dog to cover 4 leaps is equal to the time taken for the hare to cover 5 leaps. So time taken by the dog to cover 4 leaps is equal to time taken by the hare to cover 5 leaps. It means time taken is nothing but distance by speed. Here for the dog the distance is 4x and the speed is u. Similarly for the hare the distance is 5y and the speed is v. We can rearrange this. U by v is equal to 4x by 5y. Here from this first equation we can see x by y is equal to 4 by 3. We shall substitute this value here. This will be equal to 4 by 5 into 4 by 3. So u by v will be equal to 16 by 15. The ratio is 16:15. Answer is A. Let us stop here and continue in the next video. Thank you.